All right, so following our chance for some stronger thunderstorms later on this afternoon, this evening, about as strong of a signal as you'll ever see for a heat wave getting ready to build in across the Great Lakes, the eastern half of the country. We're getting ready for the heat to really take off starting this weekend and into early next week. Look at our high temperature trend jumps into the 90s starting Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the way into the middle of next week. Looking at some big time heat likely for us here that will last potentially through the rest of this month. So if you're one that's been saying it's not been warm enough, I want some summertime heat, well, it's about to arrive in spades for you here, following our alert afternoon and evening for you for the threat for some of those storms. Could have a few showers that linger a little bit for our Thursday, and then Friday, the first official day of summer. Been saying Mother Nature's well-timed this heat wave for the first week of summer, again with those highs well into the 90s.